Hi everyone, I'm Srinivas Panigdahi. Welcome to the Product Impact channel. The different development environments are the developer environment, the QA or testing or staging environment, or then the UAT environment, and then the production environment. Taking a simple example, in the Paytm application, the Paytm wants to add a simple feature of cash points to the customers or the users who completes a payment. So this cash point, the cash point part is a new feature that the Paytm is introducing in its application. So in this case, what will happen is a developer will write the changes for this particular feature in his in the developer environment or his or her laptop that yes. So the code that a developer writes in laptop, once the developer completes, then the developer pushes that code to the next environment, or that is test or QA environment. In that test or QA environment, uh, the developer the QA testers come, and the QA testers check the quality of the code, or the features, if the feature is working or not. And then once the QA test cases pass, or once the QA approves, then it goes to the next environment, that is UAT. UAT environment is user acceptance testing. It can be also called as beta testing, where it is where the SS is provided to a few users, might be internal or might be external, and they test these the features. And then if everything is perfect, then the code is pushed to the production environment, where all the users who are using the application can see the changes that has happened. Yes. uh, so here I missed one point, that the feature that I was mentioning, it can happen that multiple developers are working on that particular feature, and each developer contributes a very small part to that whole feature. So all the developers working in that project will complete their part, and they either directly, and then they push it, and the individual part will be pushed to the next environment. And also, if the complete feature is done, then the whole project will be pushed to the next environment. If in the development environment is everything is done, each developer's code is reviewed, then someone higher in the hierarchy would be merging those codes and taking that to the next environment, or here the QA environment. uh, and if the QA approves, then it goes to the UAT environment. If UAT approval is received from either the client, in external facing applications, or in some cases internal teams, and once that when that is successful, then the feature is made live, means everyone can access that particular feature. Yes. So then coming to uh, from code to go live, what are these, what steps happen? It is so a developer writes code in his local environment or the laptop, then pushes the code to to either GitHub or GitLab or other platforms, uh, where that code repository is stored, and that code repository and that is and then a CI/CD pipeline would be initiated, which will basically take that code to the next environment. If it is in the developer environment, it will take it to the QA environment, or if it is in QA, it will take it the CI/CD pipeline for the UAT environment will take the code to the, or take the repository to the UAT environment, uh, and then the production movement happens. And during the production movement, the actually for every production movement, there are various approvals taken from various teams to ensure that the end user is not affected